Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. This laser cleaning machine is compact. The portable design can meet your cleaning needs for anywhere. The laser scanning width can be adjusted according to your needs, 1 to 100 millimeters. The handheld cleaning head is convenient to operate, lightweighted, and can be used for long-term work. It can meet the requirements of cleaning in various fields, such as shipbuilding, automotive parts, tire molds, tracks, environmental protection. We can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after service to you and to our customers worldwide.